Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to use circle to search and copy text from a video or an image on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So on your Samsung S25 Ultra, while watching a video on TikTok, you can pause and activate Google's circle to search and circle anything on screen to copy. It can be titles, text, captions, and you can basically copy it and paste it anywhere you like. So let me show you as an example. I'll go ahead and open up TikTok. And here I'm just writing a butter chicken recipe. And let's just say, for example, I came to this video. So this person is basically saying the recipe is in the caption. So when I go ahead and tap on more, I can see that the recipe is there. However, when I go ahead and try to tap on it to copy it, I cannot do it. So in order to copy this, I can go ahead and turn on circle to search. So here I've got all the ingredients. So I can go ahead and long press on the home button. Now I can go ahead and circle this. So now using this bit here, I can go ahead and just kind of adjust my selection. Now I can go ahead and tap on select text, copy it, and then I can go ahead and open up my notes, new note, go ahead and paste it. And there you go. I have the ingredients of how to make butter chicken. I can go back to that caption, scroll down. I can go ahead and copy all of this as well. Adjust the selection, and then again select text and copy it. So I can copy codes, definitions, or instructions from any video. It's super useful for students and researchers. No more retyping or taking screenshots on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So there you go, guys. That is how to circle to search and copy text from a video or a photo on your Samsung S25 Ultra.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.